In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for keyword research, a step-by-step guide. By the end, you'll know how to choose the right model, generate intent-rich keyword ideas, structure them into topical hubs, and uncover competitor gaps that help you rank faster. First, route your SEO tasks to the proper model tier using the model selection dropdown at the top of your workspace. Keep it on the instant tier when you need speed for high volume cleanup, tag formatting, quick categorization, or long lists of simple synonyms. Switch to the thinking tier when you're doing deep strategic work, like semantic intent mapping, clustering, or building topical authority maps. A practical tip: start with instant for quick expansion and hygiene, then move to thinking to make higher quality decisions on strategy and structure. Next, use a seed expansion and intent classifier prompt instead of vague asks like, give me keywords for a tech blog. Direct ChatGPT to act as an elite SEO director and growth marketer. Tell it you're expanding a seed keyword list for your niche and ask for a structured breakdown of 15 high-value keyword variations tied to that focus. Instruct it to return a clean table with these columns: expanded keyword string, buyer persona profile, and a strict search intent category: informational, navigational, commercial, or transactional. Replace the niche placeholder with your real product or market, and include a short seed list so the model has context. Then organize your expanded keywords with a topical authority clustering prompt. Ask ChatGPT, acting as an expert data analyst and organic search architect, to convert your raw list into a cohesive topical authority map. It should group terms into clear pillar and cluster themes, provide a core pillar page title for each, list the supporting cluster keywords, and add a one-sentence content angle per cluster that avoids internal keyword cannibalization. If you've never built pillars before, think of the pillar as the definitive guide and each cluster as a focused subpage that interlinks logically. Finally, run a competitor gap and latent semantic indexing prompt to strengthen your coverage. Have ChatGPT act as a competitive intelligence specialist and technical content strategist. Specify your primary target keyword, paste the plain text from a top-ranking competitor, and ask it to analyze their content architecture. Request the top 10 secondary keywords, LSI terms, and core entities they use, a brief summary of what they covered deeply, and 2 critical gaps or angles you can add to deliver superior value. Use those insights to refine outlines, headers, and on-page entities. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you guys on the next